In this video, I will show you how to cancel Suno AI subscription. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. So first, open up your browser and visit suno.com. Then, sign into your account with the correct login details. Once logged in, click your profile icon and choose the subscription option from the drop-down menu. If you can't find it here, then just look above it. On the new page, you can see your current plan information and other plans you haven't subscribed to. Proceed to click the Cancel Plan option to start the cancellation process. Adhere to all the instructions to complete the process. You'll be prompted to validate your action, so click the Confirm Cancellation button. Alternatively, on the Plans page, tap the Contact Us option. Write an email to Suno requesting them to cancel your subscription and then send it. And that's it, you're done.